I am Erika Diago Rufino. I am from Brazil, and I've been working from JJ for 9 years right now. I am Director of Regulatory Affairs in Brazil, and I am also qualified person in Brazil. Johnson & Johnson Innovative Medicine is part of the Johnson & Johnson Group, focused in drug products like rare disease, oncology, hematology, neuroscience, as example. My presentation, part of my presentation was about traceability and serialization in Brazil, and the challenges and opportunities in my country. And the big focus was in the regulatory framework with ANVISA and how we move in this way. The second part was about labeling. The labeling, the main goal was achieve and improve the patient journey in Brazil and how educate and deliver best information for the patient. The session about patient-centric, and this is so important because the drug product changed the life of the patient. So I loved the questions, including the engagement of the audience. The questions of the audience was very good, the quality, the quantity, and the engagement of them. We could expand all day talking about serialization and traceability around the world. Oh, my personal manager, Anna, was very nice. She was very dedicated and gave me about, many details about the event, before the event, during the event, and now at the end of the event. I really appreciate her patience and her dedication with me. She has good ways of work, a very good ways of work, and she tried to give me a lot of information about the event, and I congratulate the sponsor of the event because I like it so much, including the organization, the structure, and the relevant topics that we discussed during these 2 days. My main topic was understand better the framework, the global framework about traceability, serialization, but mainly about labeling. And it was filled out, And the most important to me was the connect and the great share best practices with my colleagues from other companies.